Hi friends, let's talk in detail that why should you choose BotZ. This video's purpose is not to discredit other bots available in the market. We are just trying to make people aware that how BotZ is better than other bots. Friends, let's talk about BotZ's excellent feature SmartBot. SmartBot enables the layman to do trading efficiently as while trading with the help of SmartBot, no need to search for new trades, no need to worry about buying or selling of coin. The SmartBot will do all the work. You just have to provide two parameters, first trade amount and number of trades. SmartBot will make your trading easy, efficient and hectic free. Let's talk about BotZ's second feature that makes it better than other bots. BotZ offers a total of 330 coins. No other bot in the market provides as many trading options. Let's talk about BotZ's third feature, live crypto charts. I can claim it friends that no other bot available in the market provide live crypto charts, but BotZ provides live crypto charts along with indicators. Let's talk about BotZ's fourth special feature, market brick crash handling. When a big crash occurs in the market, usually the bots place buy orders for a number of trades. But BotZ buy trades only in a normal crash. It does not purchase any trade when the market takes big dip. For that you have to click on trade settings. After that you have to disable buys in case of huge market crash and click on confirm. On joining WhatsApp group of any other bot available in the market for promotion, you will only get to see MLM income screenshots. You will not get to see trading profit screenshots. Friends, when any person shows screenshots of any other bot that they have earned as much income, then you just ask only one question to them that the screenshots are of trading profit or MLM income. When the product is not able to serve the purpose, then people can share MLM income screenshots only. But in BotZ's all promotional groups, only trading profit screenshots are shared because that's our main product. Let's talk about BotZ's next feature. To make your trading instant and accurate, various dynamic effects are added into the application of BotZ. Even with so many effects, its speed is faster than the bots available in the market because it has a lot of heavy servers installed behind it. In case a server goes down, then immediately another server will provide you access to your content. Let's talk about BotZ's next feature. BotZ offers live Telegram and Zoom support. Friends, I can challenge you that no other bot in the market provides a support system. No one cares if someone's money gets stuck. If one's ID is not opening, he keeps on waiting up to 4 to 3 days after entering a support ticket. But BotZ provides 24 hours Telegram support in which support members, after understanding your problem, help you to solve it. BotZ also provides a Zoom call support in which along with new updates your queries are solved. Friends, along with Android and iOS application, BotZ offers a web application also in which you can trade by logging into your browser.